Taiga. Taiga is the Russian word for forest, and is the largest biome in the world. It stretches over Eurasia and North America. The taiga is located near the top of the world, just below the tundra biome. The winters in the taiga are very cold, with only snowfall, while the summers are warm, rainy, and humid. A lot of coniferous trees grow in the taiga, which is also known as the boreal forest. While the taiga does not have as many plant and animal species as the tropical or deciduous forest biomes, it does, however, have millions of insects in the summertime. Further, birds migrate there every year to nest and feed. The animals of the taiga tend to be predators, like the lynx and members of the weasel family, such as bobcat, wolverines, minks, and ermine. They hunt herbivores like snowshoe rabbits, red squirrels, and voles. Red deer, elk, and moose can also be found in regions of the taiga where more deciduous trees grow. Other animals include the American black bear, bald eagle, grizzly bear, long-eared owl, and red fox. There are some lichens and mosses, but most plants are coniferous trees like pine, white spruce, hemlock, Douglas fir, evergreens, balsam fir, black spruce, eastern red cedar, jack pine, paper birch, Siberian spruce, white fir, and white poplar. As for some of the interactions in the taiga biome, there are competition, predation, mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. An example for competition in the taiga biome is that the lynx, bobcat, wolverine, and black bear all compete for the same limited food source, such as deer, moose, rabbit, other small animals, or birds, especially in winter, as the vegetation becomes more difficult to find, thinning the numbers of the prey. One example of predation in the taiga is the relationship between the snowshoe hare and the lynx. The snowshoe hare is a major prey item for a number of predators, including the lynx, and if the snowshoe hares decrease in population, the lynx begin to starve out in a boom-bust population model. Mutualism is a symbiosis that is beneficial to both organisms involved. An example of mutualism in a boreal or taiga biome is when bees fly from plant to plant. The flowers are benefiting by becoming pollinated, and the bees receive nectar in return to transform into honey. Commensalism is an exchange between two organisms in which one benefits and the other neither benefits nor suffers. An example of commensalism in the taiga biome is moss growing on trees. The moss benefits by having a cool place to grow, as if it grew in direct sunlight, it would dry up. The tree is neither benefited nor harmed. Parasitism is the relationship between two different organisms in which one receives benefits from the other by causing damage to it. An example of parasitism in the taiga biome is when a winter tick hitchhikes on a moose's back. The winter tick is receiving food and a place to stay while sucking blood from the moose's body. This is beneficial for the tick, but detrimental to the moose. In the taiga biome, there is a vast number of trophic levels present in the ecosystem. This means that the energy in the biome has to travel longer. At the bottom of the food chain, there are the grass, berries, and trees. These organisms are the producers. The energy from these producers travels to the primary consumers and provides them with the energy that they need. These primary consumers are then eaten by secondary consumers, so on and so forth. In the taiga biome, the temperature range can be as low as -7 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. The high in this summer could be up to 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The summers are mostly warm, rainy, and humid, and the total precipitation in a year is between 30 and 85 centimeters, falling usually in either rain or snow. An interesting fact about the taiga biome is that even though it is isolated and resources are sparse, there are two major world cities located in it, Toronto and Moscow.